Hi, welcome to video 2 of the playlist Patent Agent Exam 2025. I am Tanu Goyal, the founder and director at WSLI. In this video, we are going to discuss the syllabus for the exam in detail, highlighting what are some of the new additions and how to begin your preparation for the Patent Agent Exam, which is scheduled to be conducted on 5th of January 2025. Hi.
The syllabus for this exam, as displayed on IP India website, includes the Patents Act 1970, the Patents Rules 2003, the Designs Act 2000, which is a new edition, the Designs Rules 2001, again a new edition, and matters related to IP jurisprudence, which again is a new topic.
Now the base of this exam is the Patents Act 1970 and the Patent Rules 2003. 70 to 80% of the questions in paper 1 and 2 are going to be based on these two. Having said that, the new editions, that is the Designs Act 2000, the Designs Rules 2001 and matters related to IP jurisprudence are also equally important and should be prepared well. However, in this video, we are going to focus on the Patents Act 1970 and the Patent Rules 2003. To start your preparation, please order the Patents Act 1970, also called the BARE Act, from any of these publishers, Universals, Commercials, Taxmans or Professionals. I'm going to leave the Amazon links in the description below for you to purchase any of these acts. Just make sure to purchase the latest edition with the latest Patent Amendment Rules 2024. Now, let me help you understand how the Patents Act 1970 is structured and divided into various chapters, sections, rules, forms and fees. But first of all, why is it important to study the Patents Act 1970? It is because the patent law in India is governed by the provisions of the Patents Act 1970 and the amendments to this act. So the act is divided into 24 chapters, 163 sections augmented by 139 rules. The first and the fifth schedule talks about the fees that is payable before the patent office for any procedures regarding the patents, and Schedule 2, which gives you a list of forms that are to be submitted by the patent applicant during the life cycle of the patent. These 24 chapters further contain 163 sections in them. Here is an exemplary table to help you understand how the chapters and sections correlate. You must be wondering how all the chapters, sections, rules, forms and fees relate to each other. So the sections which form the core of the Indian Patents Act 1970 are passed as a bill before the Houses of Parliament, and a presidential signature is required before it becomes a legislation. And the rules that augment these sections are internally decided by the central government, and so many amendments have been done to modify these rules as per the latest requirements or certain court judgments. These rules basically complement the different sections of the Act and lay down the details regarding the different procedures mentioned in the Act, such as the fees payable, the forms which are to be submitted by the patent applicant, and other minute details which need to be understood while carrying out the procedures mentioned in the sections of the Act. So when you read the Patents Act 1970, it is always going to be a combined reading of the sections along with the rules to understand the provisions and to know the different international treaties that are applicable in India. For your quick reference, WSLI has prepared an exemplary table which correlates chapters, sections and the corresponding rules. To get access to an exhaustive list correlating the sections and the rules until section 25, comment down below your email ID and I will share the list with you. Please paste this list on a wall somewhere to be seen, because it will be immensely helpful for your preparation of paper 1. To understand the Patents Act in its truest sense, there should be an addition of 2 more columns, the forms and the fees, to help you know which section and rule requires a form to be submitted during the filing, amendment or grant of a patent application and what is the associated fees with it. This table should be pasted somewhere in your room as it is going to take your preparation to next level, and revise it daily to help you clear paper 1 of the exam. Of course, we are just getting started and we need to understand the sections in great detail, and the interpretation of these sections along with the rules is a game changer. So keep watching this series and subscribe to our channel so that you get a notification as soon as the next video is out. Next, we are going to deep dive into the sections and understand how the different provisions of the Indian Patents Act 1970 play out.